Do you know these facts about the Atlantic Ocean? Number 1. Area of the Atlantic Ocean covers approximately 106 million square kilometers, making it the second largest ocean in the world. Number 2. The deepest point in the Atlantic Ocean is the Puerto Rico Trench, which reaches a depth of around 28,232 feet, which also 8,605 meters. Number 3. The volume of Atlantic Ocean has an estimated volume of 310 million cubic kilometers of water. Number 4. The underwater mountain range is about 16,000 kilometers long and is the longest mountain range in the world. It is known as Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Number 5. The Atlantic Ocean is a major route for international trade, with an estimated 50,000 ships traversing it each year. Number 6. The Atlantic Ocean is home to over 17,000 species of fish and thousands of other marine species, including whales, dolphins, sharks, and corals.